Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight I'm going to talk about the Kernel of the Bible, chapter 13. And the chapter 13 is about aspects of what Christ is. Christ's person is wonderful, profound, and mysterious. His person has two aspects, the divine aspect and the human aspect. In theology, the story of Christ's person is known as Christology. Since the 2nd century, Christian teachers have argued concerning the person of Christ. Due to the different teachings and opinions, the argument regarding the person of Christ has gone on, even until today. Therefore, we must be on the alert. If we follow a teaching regarding Christ's person that is not according to the Bible, we shall be in difficulty. Do not be influenced by any teaching concerning Christ's person that is not according to the Scriptures. The impossibility of understanding Christ fully. I beg you to come back to the Bible and not try to analyze Christ or to understand Him according to your mentality. We simply cannot understand Him fully. In fact, we cannot even understand ourselves. Can you tell me where your mind is located? Furthermore, do you realize that you have two hearts? A physical heart and a psychological heart. You can locate your physical heart, but can you locate your psychological heart? Where is it? We all should answer, I don't know. If you know the Bible, you must learn to say, I don't know. The Bible reveals that we have a soul. Do you know who your soul is? What about your spirits? Do you know where it is? We all have a spirit, a soul, a heart, a mind, an emotion, and a will. But we are not able to locate them. In addition to all this, and most mysterious of all, there is a matter of our physical life. Okay guys, it was all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday, because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye-bye.
Ain't no time to